All right, guys, we have got the Stone and Egg 2-pack movable storage organizer. It's multifunctional. It's a multifunctional storage cart, and it is also a stackable deal as well. You could use it for books, toys, living room, playroom, library, whatever you want. It's very easy to put together, which is why I'm going to put it together on the spot. So it's kind of like, it's not Legos, but, basically these connect. And that's how it all goes together. There's no screws or anything. And we're going to try to put it together right here on the screen. And then also, we've got our 4 wheels as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it together right now. Right now. So we need to find A first. Got a couple A's. All right, here's our A's. Let's do one A at a time. We got A, C, and B. All right. So we have A, which will be like this. Then we have, let's see, where's B? This is B. This is a B. All right, so we got A here. And we have B going into it like that. So that's B. And then we need a C. And C is right here. I'll do it this way. C is going to go into it like that on that side. And you can see how easily they just connect. So we've got that, and then we want to put D on the bottom. I'm pretty sure this is D. Is that D? Wait, which one's D? Yeah, this is D. Ah, okay. Is it the other way? Could be the other way. Okay. Oh. We got it. All right. We got round 1 fixed. Now we build the other one. There we go. This is definitely pretty freaking easy. And then all we do here is put the wheels on, and we can stack them. So there you have it. Complete right there. And you can also see, how does it stack? Let me see. Oh, stacks just like that, huh? Boom. Wait. Almost. There we go. So you can see it stacks just like that. Very easy to use. Very easy to build. Very easy to store your things, and very easy to move around with the wheels. So this is just really nice. Highly recommend.